Before we start, because there will be no questions in this, you find me on LinkedIn. You find at least one of these cats on Instagram. I am not taking the pictures, I promise. That's not my job. Yes. Oh God. No. In the middle of the talk, the phone starts ringing, and it's my dad going, "Hello, what you doing?" Yes. Yeah. Right. Good afternoon, NDC. Have you ever written an application, an API, a framework, and given it to your users and thought, "My God, these people are inventive"? So anyway, this is all about my cats. My name is Inge. By day, I am a developer, a backend developer, philosopher, historian, stuff like that. By night, I am the father of cats, because I have 3 of those. Down here we have Moses. Our eldest is a British tabby, I think. Up there we have Maximus, and in the corner, weighing in on 3 kilos of fluffy goodness, that's Moochie. Approximately 1 year ago, Moses lost his brother. He lost him to cancer, and he started screaming at night and then pooping on the floor. One of those are rather difficult for me to handle. That's the pooping. So we thought he might be depressed, and we got him a sister. So enter Moochie, and he stopped screaming, but he continued to poop on the floor. And so we took him to the vet, and the vet said, "No, either he has a cancerous growth in his brain or he has dementia." Moses is turning 15 in 1.5 weeks' time. That's old in cat years. So he is not long for this world. So instead of having Moochie being alone, we got Maximus. It's I didn't want cats, so we compromised. We got Maximus, and now you have a problem space, right? You have 2 kittens that wants to roam and run, and you have an elderly cat that wants to poop on the floor, and you have an old grumpy man that has to remove that poop from the floor. So, as any developer with the respect for the name, I made user stories. As a cat, I want to be free to roam the environs. I want to see the world. I want to stretch my little legs. As a father of cats, I want the poop to be in the litter box so I can scoop the fucking poop. And as a demented cat, I want to live in a safe environment. I want to find the litter box when I have to go to the toilet. This world is a scary place, and I need it to be safer. The solution, my friends, a token-based access system placed between domains. That is a chip-controlled cat flap. And it works like this. In standard operation, our API is closed. A cat coming bearing a token, a bearer token if you want, a chip, unlocks the cat flap and enters. When the cat is through, well, then the cat flap closes again. Standard issue security profession, right? And then I took a hacksaw to my door and I implemented the new framework. So let's meet the users. Maximus thought this was extremely fun. Before this point, Maximus had a world where the living room was the living room, the cat room was the cat room, and if you wanted to move between domains, he had to wait for someone, that is me, to open the door so he could go through it. Suddenly, there's a hole in the door, so he started running. We scared the shit out of me. I was using a saw in the door and he went, woohoo! This proved one thing to us. This solution would work. A cat will use it. We installed the new cat flap and Maximus started using it immediately. He didn't need to learn this. There was a whoop and whoop. Nice. Maximus is an early adopter. Mochi hated the new system. And it's natural to see why. Why do you need a new system, she said. The old system works. The old system where if I want to go through a door, one of you tall people come and open it. And if I want to go back again, one of you will come and open it for me. And I did a bad thing. I forgot to register Mochi before we installed the cat flap. So at this point, you have a door, you have a hole in the door, and you have me trying to put a cat into that hole. And then the cat did this. So we put treats in the hole and the cat goes in and she gets registered and everything is good. But she won't use the thing because, you know, the lid of it lands on her back and that scares her. So we put treats inside the cat flap and put her on the other side. And Mochi is maybe one of the smartest cats I ever met. She went up to the thing, she heard it unlock, and then she did this. She made a treat dispenser. She started using the cat flap when she had to. And still to this day, if we are in the living room, she will just go, door? There's a cat flap. No. Okay, open. Thank you. And then there was Moses. We built this solution for Moses. We wanted Moses to be safe. Moses didn't see it this way. He saw a trap, a prison. And then he did something. And I need to say this. I swear this is true. He started watching the cat flap. He sat next to the cat flap looking at it. And each time a cat went in or out, he would just tailgate on the tail. Right, that's interesting enough that he found that solution. What really kicked me was when I noticed the other kittens laying outside the cat flap and mewing until Moses came, and then unlocking the thing to let him out. They let him piggyback. So, conclusions. And cats. We are developers. We can build well-architected systems, secure systems, good systems, systems with tests. But in the end, my friends, they will always end up in the paws of the users. Thank you.